Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. I want to get a good camera angle of a steady flow of ducks coming out. I think they want it out really bad. As soon as they figured out it was open. It's a beautiful day, guys and girls. I can see their feathers starting to develop. That ramp works so well. I'm impressed. I know for them going in at night, last night bringing them in was so much better. Nobody got pummeled in the sides. Everybody, it was an orderly, entrance. That's so cute. I wonder if that's it. Does that, there's another one. I wonder how close we are to 330 ducks here. I don't see any geese coming out though. Or oh, that's Miss Crooked Neck. But her neck's getting straighter. I noticed the more she's eating, her neck is getting better. So, oh, there's my goose. There's that goose, that Chinese goose. So I picked him up this morning. He's just losing it with me.